Introducing the 2017 Audi A3 Sportback SB 1.6 TDI 1 to 10 SE 4-door in stunning blue. This hatchback beauty is packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control, LED lights, and more. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The stylish chrome accents and spoiler set this vehicle apart from the rest. Rest easy knowing this Audi has had a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us today or visit audikerry.ie for more details.